Not sure what to explore in NotebookLM? One of the easiest way to get started is by browsing featured notebooks. These are ready-made notebooks built around interesting topics, allowing you to explore content without uploading your own sources. To find them, open NotebookLM and navigate to the featured notebooks section. You'll see a collection of notebooks covering different subjects, from science and technology to business, history, and more. Take a moment to browse the available options and open a notebook that catches your attention. Once inside, you can explore the sources, review summaries, and interact with the content just like you would in your own notebook. Try asking a question in the chat panel to learn more about the topic or uncover insights from the sources. Featured notebooks are a great way to discover new information and see how Notebook LM works with curated content. Whether you're learning something new or simply exploring ideas, they're a great place to start. That's how to browse featured notebooks in Notebook LM.